Alright, this is my 300EX. Yesterday I started tearing it down, and this is tomorrow, or today. And got everything off. It's just a frame. Everything's off it. Paint it. It's pretty different from yesterday. Over here we got just the tires. There's the engine. There's that wiring harness and those bumpers. Over here we got mufflers and airbox stuff. You got the A-arms, hubs there, spindles. Got the two front shocks and the rear shocks, tie rods, front brake stuff, steering stem, Nerf bars, everything. Some other stuff in the steering stem. And that's the drive. This is my headlight. It's the only thing that's messed up on my quad is my headlights all messed up. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, over right there, the swing arm. That's my LTR. And again, there's my frame. And then up here is I just got my plastic. I got my front tires and a bunch of other tires. My front plastic up here, and there's my rear plastic. Alright.